Hi, I'm Peter Cole from Waterfeature Melbourne, formerly known as Top Rock. I've been a specialist water feature landscaper and garden innovator for the last 20 years. This video is about my latest miniature mountainside. I've been making miniature mountains now for the last 8 years and they just keep getting better. I can make one for your property, or you can learn to make one yourself via the full DVD instructions. My contact details are below the video. So without further ado, here is the latest mountainside, completed in December 2014. Here's a misty mountainside with trees clinging to the cliffs and a mini torrent thundering down the gorge. And a turbulent plunge pool at the bottom and a sheet of water concealing a grotto behind it. Note how the mini bridge helps support the notion of a huge scale. Each of the plants you see here is in a pocket of fertile potting mix, individually watered with a concealed dripper. The mist looks better on a still day as it flows down the steep gully rather than being blown about as you see here. And now the plants, individually watered with variable flow drippers concealed under the rock surface. Figurines help promote the sense of a larger scale. Perched on a mountain plateau with a real rock embedded in the landscape behind it, looks like a boulder or a cliff. Here's another real rock in the landscape. And a path with steps getting smaller as they go up to convey the impression of distance. Up to the archway, leading to still more distant landscapes, to give the scene an even greater depth. See, this miniature mountainside also has a perspective picture at the back. The trick is to frame the picture with rocks and plants. This small mountainside also has a waterfall running through it that starts from a painted picture at the back. Here's the use of tiny steps again, leading up to the mountaintop in this delightful miniature scene. And a rock wall as part of a full-sized waterfall and pond. Finally, here's a marvellous granite version of the miniature mountainside landscape style. You can choose whichever style suits you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have more mini mountain examples to show you, so get in touch. The quickest way is by email, the address is below the video, or give me a call on 03 9809 1667 to talk about your ideas.